This trading tutorial is ensuring that you know whether your EA is trading. Now, a lot of the times people will have a EA installed onto their trading account and their chart looks blank like this and they're wondering, look, is my EA even trading? Now, it really depends on how often or what strategy is behind your EA. What is it trading? Is it trading the daily chart? It might only take a trade every couple of weeks. Is it trading the 5-minute chart? It might take 5 trades a day. So you need to understand what's the frequency of the trades, and then you'll be able to be a little bit more patient in waiting for those trades to come around. So if it's only going to make 2 trades a month, you're not going to sit there wondering why it hasn't made a trade after a couple of hours of being installed. Next, the way to check whether or not your EA is trading is you will notice if it's in a live trade. Like at the moment, you can see here we actually have a live trade under the if you click on View and Terminal, you'll have this area pop up here, and you'll notice that it has tabs called Trade, Account History. Under the trade, you'll notice if there is a live trade that's active at the moment, this will pop up in the box, and you'll see the profit and loss ticking over there on the right hand side. You'll be able to see the currency pair under the symbol and the price it entered at, the stop loss, the take profit. Sometimes the EAs actually have a hidden take profit, and this is part of some of the strategies of the programmers, so which is okay. If it has a take profit, the EA should close out. So there you have the information of an open trade. If you want to know what trades it's taken in the past, click on the account history and you can see all the trades it's taken in the past. And you can scroll up and down on that and have a look at each of the individual trades on which currency pair, etc. So if you if you're wondering whether or not it's trading, you can check those sorts of things out. If it's in a live trade at the moment, you'll see lines going across your screen on the chart of that currency pair. And then looking at the actual chart for that, you'll see that there's actually open and close lines on that chart, or circles, sorry, showing you exactly where the trades entered and exited. So if you're seeing, let's have a look at the chart with a bit of activity here, a bit more activity. You can see here the trades that EA has placed historically. Another thing you can check if you think that there's not any, or there's been no activity on your trading robot, or if for some reason that it seems to have stopped, one thing that you can check is double click on your smiley face to look at the inputs underneath that particular robot, and go to the common tab and just check that allow live trading is actually ticked. So if it's not, make sure that it is ticked and then click on the OK button. Now that will, if it wasn't ticked, that is only going to change that particular robot. So what we need to also do is for any other robots that you have, make sure you go to each chart and double click on the smiley face that's on each chart, and then make sure that allow live trading is ticked. But also too is the final thing you need to do is go to tools, then options, and then make sure on the expert advisors tab that the allow live trading is ticked. Once that is ticked, click OK, and then any other robots that you install from your navigator window will actually have that ticked into the future. So I hope that helps you in gaining a little bit more patience with regard to whether your EA is taking trades or not. Bye for now.